Testimony wrapped up today in the Larry Millete murder trial. The defense rested its case this afternoon after calling only 3 witnesses. Larry Millete told the judge he will not testify in his own defense. ABC 10 News reporter Laura Acevedo was in the courtroom all day. She tells us what comes next.
Testimony in this case ending way ahead of schedule. This trial was originally expected to last 3 months. Larry will not be taking the stand in his own defense. His attorneys arguing their case in less than 3 hours. Larry Millete's defense team started and ended their case Wednesday, calling just 3 witnesses to the stand. But the morning started without jurors in the room as the judge decided what testimony would be allowed from a husband and wife team of canine search volunteers for the San Diego County Sheriff's Office. Stacy and Stephen Agan testified separately, but both searched the Millete home over 2 weeks after Maya disappeared, each with their own trained canine. Both witnesses say the dogs never alerted to any human remains present inside the house. During cross-examination with the prosecution, Agan testified that her dog isn't trained in what's called residual scent, which is odor left behind after something's been removed or time has passed. Before the jury came into the courtroom, Agan said she was initially hesitant to help in the search because it was out of the scope of her dog's training. The defense then called a private investigator who testified about his role in the case, including reviewing police reports, photos, and surveillance cameras. He also testified about a drainage ditch trail behind the Millete home. For much of this case, the defense has implied Maya could have willingly walked away. He testified someone could have jumped the fence of the Millete backyard or jumped a gate along the trail. The prosecution pointed out this investigator didn't actually go to the Millete neighborhood until more than 3 years after she went missing, noting things could have changed in the area by the time he was on the case. So this case could be in the jury's hands as early as the middle of next week. Court will be dark Thursday, Friday, and Monday, and closing arguments will be on Tuesday. In Chula Vista, Laura Acevedo, ABC 10 News.